are my hiding place. You shall preserve me from trouble. You shall surround me with songs of deliverance. So let each one give as he purposes in his heart, not grudgingly or of necessity, for God loves a cheerful giver. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control. Against such there is no law. These things I have spoken to you, that my joy may remain in you, and that your joy may be full. Rejoice with those who rejoice, and weep with those who weep. That I may come to you with joy by the will of God, and may be refreshed together with you. Your testimonies I have taken as a heritage forever, for they are the rejoicing of my heart.